Um, Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Joyce. I'm from FinTech Magazine, and today we are here at African Banking and Insurance Awards. What's your good name?
My name is Youssef.
Age? Where are you from?
I was born in Egypt, and my parents went to New York when I was a little boy, and now I'm here, back in Africa, because it is truly the land of opportunity.
All right, you're welcome back. I have a few questions for you. Um, how, how can blockchain-based platforms make financial services more affordable and accessible for underserved communities in Africa?
It's all about solving problems, sister. And the biggest problems that Africa has right now is that we cannot trade with each other, because we cannot make payments across borders. That effectively leaves our 55 states of this continent a little prison for money. Money cannot move in and out of each country because the banks don't work across border. Even the mobile money doesn't work across border. That is not by accident, it is by design. So with crypto, with blockchain technology, we can actually move money across all of those different states. There's 2,000 payment networks in Africa. Less than 2% of them talk to each other. With crypto, with peer-to-peer, which is what my company specializes in, 100% of those networks can talk with each other, and we can all trade with each other. And where money flows, wealth grows. More jobs. That's what it's about, sister.
Exactly. Awesome. Awesome. Um, uh, do you believe blockchain can accelerate financial inclusion more effective than traditional fintech solutions?
Absolutely. In fact, only blockchain is the only thing that can accelerate financial inclusion, because in Africa, even if you have a bank account in your country, you're still unbanked in every other country in Africa because the banks don't work there, even the country next door. How hard is it to send money from here to Kenya, from here to Nigeria, from here to Malawi or Cameroon? It's impossible. So even if you have 5 bank accounts in Tanzania, you're still completely unbanked across the rest of the continent. But with cryptocurrency, you can move all that money around. It can go in and out from every country. That's amazing for financial inclusion, because we have to start seeing ourselves as one continent, one people. Would America be a superpower if you couldn't send money from New York to New Jersey? It would be nothing. And yet we're expected to thrive with that kind of handicap? Africa is the most over-regulated region in the entire world. That regulation is not here to protect us. It's here to hold us back. The Western powers don't even want us using fossil fuels to accelerate our industry, and they don't want us trading with each other. With blockchain technology used correctly as a means of exchange, not just a means of speculation, it levels the playing field, and it gives us wealth, because all of us can trade with each other. And every non-local business in Africa can make business with the rest of Africa, customers across the entire continent. What could be better than that?
Yeah, and how do you think you can improve in that?
Well, the first thing we need to understand is the power is in our hands. With cryptocurrency, each of us can take a half hour of our time. You can go to NOONES.com or YouTube and listen to some videos, and you can understand how it works. For example, I came here, I had to pay my driver, but I don't have any, I didn't have any shillings. And I don't have a bank account here, I don't have a mobile money here. So I just went onto my platform, and I sold some crypto to a Tanzanian member of our platform, and he sent a mobile money transfer from his mobile money to my driver's mobile money, and I paid him with crypto. And it was that easy. So I essentially borrowed his mobile money account for one payment, basically giving me full financial access in Tanzania. And I can do the same thing if I'm in Kenya, if I'm in Mozambique, if I'm in Nigeria, Egypt, wherever. That is a superpower. It essentially gives the normal person the same financial access that only multinational corporations have had the privilege to enjoy. That is the ultimate equalizer, and anyone can do it. All you need is a smartphone.
Okay. Are there other measures can improve?
Besides education, the most important thing to understand is that Pan-African trade is the most important thing. We have to focus all of our energy on that. You know, it would be nice if we didn't need visas to travel around, yes. It would be nice if our leaders weren't corrupt, but instead of just complaining about our leaders, let's change our own mindset. Regulation is not going to fix our problems. In fact, think about the cycle of regulation, right? Something, a scam happens, people ask for more regulation, okay. Then the money gets more and more restricted, can't flow, poverty increases, more scammers appear, people ask for more regulation. And this cycle just continues until it gets harder and harder for us to use our money and we get poorer and poorer. Let's stop aping the West. Let's stop copying them and their policies. They are not out for us. We have to be out for ourselves. So let's do things completely differently right now, and we'll see where we go.
Anything else you want to share?
I have to say that if you're African right now and you're listening to this, I am an African as well. I left America. I left the entire West. I am not going back. I am here because I know that in the next 5 years, Africa will be of prime importance on the world stage. This is and has always been the land of opportunity. But now more than ever, you're going to see that manifest. So with that kind of opportunity also comes risk. It means we have to be ready. We have to understand what we expect from our leaders.
Awesome.
And we have to understand what we expect from ourselves and use our time right. Invest your time learning about what money truly is and how to truly use it, and how cryptocurrency and peer-to-peer transactions can level the playing field and give us the power back in a way that we'll actually keep it, because we're making money. And it's all about the money.
Yeah, I love the spirit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Please enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much, madam. It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, thank you.
Uhuru!